All right, what's up, everybody? So we're inside the 2017 Audi A3 sedan, and we're actually taking it down to the car wash. I'm making this video for a customer that may be interested in buying this car. So, with that being said, I want the car looking fresh and clean when I go to film the outside of it. So anyways, we're gonna take it down to the car wash, get her cleaned up a little bit, hop out, let you see the outside. But we're gonna talk about it a little bit while we're on the drive down to the car wash and see what you think about it. So stay with us right here on CCV at SMC. All right, so, I've always been a fan of Audi. I worked at an Audi dealership for about 5 years as a salesman. And then for a few years, I worked down in Jacksonville, Florida with Audi Jacks doing marketing, social media, and all that. So I do actually like this brand. I mean, realistically, just about every Audi, from the Audi A3 to the Audi Q7, the R8, the A7, the S series vehicles. I mean, just everything they make is so nice, clean, good looking. Fit and finish is great. Performance is always top notch. Quattro all-wheel drive, the best all-wheel drive out there. Impeccable vehicles, right? And on top of that, the umbrella that Audi's under with Porsche, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, Bugatti, Bentley. It can go on, right? What an incredible amount of vehicles that they have under them. You just can't go wrong. So anyways, the Audi A3 we're sitting in, the 2017, it's a good-looking car, good-looking body style, right? Just a smidge smaller than an Audi A4. Now, I'm 6'1", 215 pounds, and to be honest with you, I feel pretty good sitting inside this car. Headroom, just fine. Leg room, doing good. So space is not so much an issue. And I got a family, right? I could get my kids in the back, pick them up from school. My wife could sit in here. We could go out and have a good time. If I was single or younger, I'm telling you, it'd be the perfect, good-looking sports car to go out on a date in, pick somebody up, and just have a great time out on the town. So I think you get my drift, right? The Audi A3, it's pretty nice. It's going to be a good choice for you overall. And probably if you're watching the video, you may have already kind of narrowed things down to this car. So what do we got to do to be able to sell you on this one right here? Well, that's what I'm about to do. So stay with me. All right, let's pull into the car wash and get her all cleaned up. All right, everybody, while we're waiting just a minute here to get into the car wash. So a few things I like about this one, right? First, I like the screen, and I like how it can drop down or come up, right? You got an option to put that thing down in the dash there, so that's nice. Also, I like the backup camera on it with the guidelines, and it has sensors in the back, so you know if you're getting a little too close to something. Definitely a great feature right here for people that are just starting out driving. You never know when you're parking in a parking spot how close you are. That first line right there, let me show you real quickly, just a little tip for you. That first line is 17 inches off the back bumper, if that kind of gives you a little idea there. So just a little bit over 1.5 feet or so right there off the back bumper. Now you can't go wrong with those good looking rings right there, but the next thing I like about this car is right there, the mileage, 61,578. Still pretty good on miles. I also like on the tachometer there, it revs out at around 6,000. Okay, it's not 7,000 like, a big sports car, but again, 6 isn't too bad. And the mile per hour there at 160 mile per hour. Watch out, Mom, your son's about to be rocking and rolling. Now it does have the auto start-stop feature. So when you come to a stop sign or at the stoplight or whatever you got going on, it shuts the engine off for just a moment. And, that's kind of nice. saves on fuel consumption and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna go ahead and drop it in neutral real quick before we go into the car wash here. All right, boom, we're in. All right, here we go. Let's get this little Audi A3 all cleaned up so you can see what it looks like on the outside. This is so cool. Check it out. I'm waiting for that camera to get covered up with water or soap, but it hasn't done that. That's neat, isn't it? It really is. That's cool. There we go. Sweet. Getting her all cleaned up. My next favorite feature on the car, though, is the massive sunroof. I mean, this thing is big. Also, beautiful interior. I mean, the dark brown looks really good. The layout of the dash looks nice. I mean, truly, the fit and finish of this Audi A3 is super nice. And that's one thing I've always really liked about Audi as a brand is they just feel really, they feel like a quality car, you know. The craftsmanship that goes into an Audi, you know, is just some of the best. So I like that. And, you know, other brands out there that have that same type of feel to me, Mercedes-Benz definitely has that same kind of feel. BMW has that feel. And I think Lexus always has that feel too. And Range Rover, Land Rover, a lot of those brands, and Porsche and so many others, they just have the craftsmanship of a quality car. Oh, and let's not forget Tesla. But man, I'm loving all the colors and all. This is such a sweet little car wash. I hope you really enjoyed the video though of the A3 today. And if you're interested in buying it from me, please get in contact with me at Southern Motor Company. I mean, this is going to be a fantastic deal for somebody out there looking to get a great deal on a car. It's just around $17,900 on the price. And wait until we get outside in just a minute here so you can see the outside. It looks awesome. All right, I know you're ready to see what she looks like. Let's hop out and let's take a look at this Audi A3. And you know it's got to be clean, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here's the front nose. Looking really good. Got the iconic front grille that all Audis have. Another thing I like about the A3 is the LED daytime running lights that are right there, which look really good at sunset at night and makes your car just come alive. And then you got your projectors right up in there. So that's all looking really nice. The black paint looks great. And I like it with the 5-star wheels. Like we spoke about earlier, you got your big sunroof. It's just a nice compact size car. There you go. Check that out. Taillights look good. And again, I like how everything kind of comes to sharp points. Gives it that aggressive look that you're wanting with your 4-door car. And you got a good sized trunk in the back. Plenty of space back there to throw all your stuff in. You got a 40-60 back seat split on the back seats. You also got a ski through right through the middle. So if you need to put something like skis in there, right? Backup camera. Now this particular A3 is front wheel drive, doesn't have the Quattro all-wheel drive on it. But that's okay. You know, if you're just living down in the Carolinas or whatnot, we don't necessarily always need all-wheel drive. Front wheel drive serves its purpose and does good in snow and all too. And again, the interior is just really nice. I'm loving the colors. Just a really nice color combination. Even got rear air vents in the back for friends. So that's pretty sweet. All right, take a look right here. There you go. And you got power seats and lumbar support right there. All right, let's hop back in, cruise her back down the road, and take her back to the store. All right, for the last part of the video, we're going to let you hear the engine and see how the acceleration is when driving. And don't forget, safety ratings are really good with Audi. That's fun. That little turbo gets up and goes. They also make a ton of aftermarket parts for Audis if you want to hook it up a little bit. You can always get different wheels. There's just so many really cool accessories to make your car kind of look the way you want it to look. You may want to get the windows tinted. There's so much stuff you can do with it. It's really, really cool. And it's just a good looking car, man. Come on, you know what I'm saying? Let's hit it one more time. Well, there's the policeman. Don't want to hit it with him right there. Thanks for watching the video. I'm Chad with sales at Southern Motor Company. I do appreciate your time watching this. Another few reasons why to do business with us at Southern Motor Company is, first, great group of people that work at this store here. You may not even know who we are, but you're already kind of getting to know us by watching this video right here. I've been on YouTube now for 10 years. The dealership has been there 10 years. We're all guys that have passion for the car business, but also have passion for cars. Each one of us guys that work at Southern Motor Company, you could call us car guys. We just love automobiles, driving them, hooking them up, and just enjoying life to the fullest. So we would love to earn your business. Check out our reviews on Google, Facebook, wherever you're at. We got a 4.8 on Google, which is definitely a great review status. And, you know, I can't tell you enough. We're a great company to do business with, and you'll have such a good time coming by the store, test driving, and doing paperwork with us as well. All right, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're watching because you're just a fan of Audi, thank you for that. I appreciate it. We do film them quite often. So again, make sure to hit that red subscribe. Hit the bell notification to be updated when new vehicles come available for sale right here on the YouTube channel. And again, we'll see you on the next video.